Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to a very interesting shoot and release video which is about multi-year breakout stocks. Now, first of all, we have to understand that whenever we are discussing about multi-year breakout stocks, what does that mean? But before that, let's take one step back. I'm sure everyone right now is like, Arey, apre Nifty has corrected a little bit and what could lead the next rally? That could also be a very important question in a lot of people's minds. Understand that it's not only a specific sector that leads the rally every single time. The sectors which will lead the rally will change from time to time. So everyone is interested to know that which sector could be a leader and which could be laggards. Okay, so for that what we did was that we tried to read through the sectoral charts, be it Nifty IT, be it Nifty automobiles, be it Nifty banks, be it Nifty PSU banks specifically. We did a lot of fun analysis. We did Nifty, okay, or oil and gas, all these analysis, pharma. Okay, let me stop now. We did a lot of sectoral analysis in short, and ultimately we came across a sector which we felt that okay, this is doing a shade better as compared to other sectors. Okay, so that is the reason with which I thought of drilling down to one specific sector, and that is nothing but oil and gas sector. So we are going to do a technical analysis of that. Okay, so first let's understand how do we go about this, that whenever we were discussing about which sector could lead the rally, I did tell you how do we go about it. We have done an entire sectoral analysis, but I'm going to present to you only one sector, that is oil and natural gas. Okay, now what can we do whenever we do a sectoral analysis? Let's say we are going ahead with a monthly candlestick pattern, and in that we could say that okay, for this sector I could be more on a buy side, on one it could be on a hold, on one it could be a sell. You can just read through this, nothing difficult per se. In the hold category, if you feel, you may pyramid. If you feel that no, I don't want to pyramid, I'll just hold on to whatever existing positions I have. Okay, so this is about the sector that I'm talking about. Okay, it could be any stocks related to that sector. I'm not talking about stock specific right now. Okay, so once we understand that okay, this specific index sounds to be interesting, first you have that question, how did I understand whether this is interesting? So for that, let's have a look at this chart again. Just to shorten the shoot time, what I've done is that we've taken the screenshots and I've pasted the screenshots here. Okay, so quickly telling you through this. If you see here, through 2021 to 2024, almost a period of 3 years, the entire oil and gas index has been in a sideways trend. You can see here, this was the level 1, 2, 3 touch points, and here the overall price movement in that specific sector, oil and gas, broke out. And after that, you can see here around 2024 beginning, we were seeing a consolidation in that specific sector. Then we could see a breakout, but still it was the sectoral movement was actually sustaining above the breakout level. It's still sustained about that, and right now you can see this week end, so basically Friday closing. I'm doing this as a shoot and release, so we are shooting this video today only, we are releasing it today only, right? So here you can see that the week has closed. Week is not week, WIC week. This entire week has closed pretty strongly. You can see here it has closed very comfortably above this resistance line. Okay, this is about the weekly chart. Now if I were to just zoom out or zoom in, sorry, a little bit, here you can see this is a monthly chart now. So again, in a monthly chart, you'll see a similar pattern. It was in a range bound and then it broke out. Again, you can see here the entire sector was seeing some resistance breakout, which is this candle. This is a previous month's candle. Okay, so this is July ka candle. It will be really interesting to watch where does the August candle close. So this could be like a breakout followed by a confirmation candle. But is it yet complete? Answer is no. It is yet to complete. Okay, so I hope you have understood about how to do a sectoral analysis per se. So is this looking strong? Yes, but as I said, ideally we should wait also for the confirmation candle. Okay, now the next sort of discussion is that, understand, if the Nifty were to go up, some sectors should support it. Sectors will take the index higher. But if the sector were to go up, then some stocks should support it to go higher, right? So what I thought is I should do a technical analysis on few stocks as an example in the oil and gas space. But while doing the analysis, I thought that why not go ahead with stocks which are showing me multi-year breakouts. Now for those who don't understand what is the meaning of a multi-year breakout, you can imagine something like this. A person has been chained, his leg has been chained, and the length of the chain is, let's say, specific 5 feet or something like that. So can I say that the person's movement is restricted up to that specific length? Answer is yes. You can imagine that one fine day the chain is broken, or the person is able to cut that chain somehow, whatever, that person is going to break free. And that happens with some stocks. That you can imagine, instead of a chain, it's something like this. Okay, so the stock is moving in a specific range bound thing, and then if we see a breakout, either on the upside or possible on the downside also. Okay, so if it's on the upside, well and good, chances that it may go higher are a little bit high. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we will try and analyze two stocks as an example from the oil and gas space. I have not done the fundamental analysis of these stocks, so if you want me to do the fundamental analysis as well, please let me know in the comment section. Would be happy to do that for you. So what we are going to do is that we will first understand stocks with multi-year breakout. Okay, so first and foremost, we have to understand, okay, multi-year breakout, I have given the explanation. But before I move on to the technical analysis of these two stocks, if you felt that what was this multi-year breakout, if you remember, I had also taken one word in between, which was pyramiding in the stock. If you are not really aware about all these points, and if you want to learn all these systematically, but like a challenge, then I have designed a special 14 days price action analysis challenge. Now, when is this going to start? This is going to start on the next Saturday, that is on the 17th. It is going to start 17th and 18th. You will get access to two videos. One video will be roughly around 1.5 hours. It will be a pre-recorded video, so you can watch it at any comfortable time of yours. But very, very important, this content is going to be freshly shot by me. It's not uploaded on YouTube. It's not a part of any of my courses. So if you want to learn more about price action analysis in detail, in absolute simple terms, don't forget to join our 14 days price action analysis challenge. The link is going to be there in the description box, and you'll have to be a community member for that, the Invest in India community member. And if you enroll for this community, the challenge becomes free for you. And if you want to enroll for the monthly membership, you can use the coupon code RR20. For the yearly membership, you can use the coupon code RRGIFT30. Just in case if you're not sure that what will I do with yearly membership, challenge is going to get over in 14 days. We run challenges every single month. So first month we had done a challenge on fundamental analysis, second month we had done a challenge on technical analysis, then we had done a challenge on tax, then we had done a challenge on a pro researcher. So all fun challenges we have done till date. And still, if you have any queries, you can definitely drop a WhatsApp on this number. My team will be happy to help you out with this. This link you will find in the description box. One quick point that you are going to learn in this in this price action challenge, you will understand about demand supply analysis, logics behind buy add sell system, multi-time frame analysis, multi-year breakouts, analyzing various stocks, sectors, sectoral rotation, how to ride stock trends with conviction, and how stocks behave over a period of time. So basically, my thought process here is that I want to tell how technical analysis can be used even for medium to long term. Some people feel technical analysis can be used only for short term. It's not like that. You can use this for medium to long term as well, and for that you need to learn price action. So definitely you can take this decision of investing in knowledge. As I mentioned, the links are there in the description box below. Moving on to ONGC, this is a monthly chart that I'm telling you. It's in front of you. You can see here 2014, the stock saw a resistance here. Again, one more resistance. Now, if you see here, the stock went down. Now, what I've done, I've also drawn one more resistance line. Now, if you see here, resistance point number 1, almost there 2, almost there 3. Here you can see it broke out. It also retested, and now what is it doing? It is actually testing its all-time high that it had done in 2014. So you can see here, this is again a monthly candle. So last month, has it broken out of it? Yes. Can we see a retest in this month? Yes. But you'll say, arey, but it is not clear. Arey, but the month is not yet over. We'll have to wait till the month closes, and then we will be able to understand with conviction whether the stock is showing power or not. So what to do with such stocks? Simple, add it to the watch list. Try to study, try to analyze how does the stock behave post almost a 10-year consolidation phase, post a 10-year breakout kind of a situation. How is it behaving in this month? Because there could be two chances. It could also say that this is it, I'm tired, and it could go down. But the thing is that the sector is looking powerful, and that is the reason why this stock will be really interesting to study. Okay, so please add it to your watch list. Now, if I even check out the weekly chart for ONGC, I'm just zooming this a little bit. If you see on the weekly chart, you can see similar thing has happened. We could see some sort of time-wise correction here. It went up. Again, it is seeing some sort of consolidation here, but still above the resistance level. And if you know this basics, once a resistance now becomes a support. Okay, so interesting times for ONGC. Please watch it to your please add it to your watch list. Second stock is BPCL. again, I'm doing the analysis on a monthly time frame. Now, if you see here, this is back somewhere in 2017-18 that the stock had seen a resistance here, number 1 touch point, number 2 touch point, and finally in 2024 it broke out of this zone. We also saw we always say this breakout retest. This is the retest that you can see here, and post that it has bounced monthly. Here you can see this is the latest month that we are in. This is the month of August, but again will be interesting to watch how does the month close. Okay, so very important one. Again on a weekly basis, you can see here weekly, again touch point 1, touch point 2, it has broken outside this, but this week's closing was a shade below the resistance level. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, please keep these stocks on your watch list. This will help you to understand how to analyze stocks. So today, what did we discuss in a nutshell? First, I said that you have to believe me, I did a sectoral analysis of all the sectors. I named the sectors as well. Out of all these sectors, we came to a conclusion that oil and gas looks to be a little bit more powerful as compared to other sectors. This could lead the rally for Nifty. But then if the sector were to perform well, some stocks have to show power, and for that what we did was we did a multi time frame analysis, only weekly and monthly, not digging down into daily details, but we did see multi-year breakouts in both these stocks. So it will be really interesting to watch how these stocks perform. So I have also told you to add these stocks in the watch list. If you did like this video, if you found some value, please don't forget to share this video with your friends. As I mentioned, please don't forget to check out the pinned comment. If I fumbled on some words, I'm going to do the correction in the pinned comment for you. I hope you enjoyed this one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.